Hello everyone, so how are you? I found an app that can remove the background of your image in just few clicks and without adding any watermark, and it does not reduce the quality of your image. Yes, seriously. And the website name is go to the Google and search free image background remover Adobe Express. Yes, this is inbuilt tool for Adobe Express and it is free now. Go to this website free image background remover Adobe Express. What you have to do is just sign in with your email ID on your Adobe Express or your Adobe ID. Go to this website, okay, free image background remover. Click upload your photo. It removes the background of one photo at one time, and it is so fast. Yes, it is fast. Actually, it is not opening right now, but it is fast. It can remove the background in few seconds. Seriously, I'm not lying. Okay, here you can see JPG, and PNG up to 17 MB. Okay, let's select the photo where a person is standing in a street market. So let's check it out. How does it remove the background? So here you can see it removes in seconds. It removes the background, and you can download it. Just click here, and your file is downloaded. Here you will see it is 2.3 MB. Here you can see the quality of this image. It doesn't reduce the quality. So I hope you like this. You can also check out and again do this. To again start it, click reload option. Okay, reload this, or you can remove multiple images by just copy this link, open it in new tab, again enter, then copy this link and open it in new tab. It's free tool, so we can use it as many time as we want. As okay, select from here, like click this one, open it another one in this, okay, and another one in what you have, so it will like this one. Okay, so here you can see it. Did you remove the background? Here you can see it remove the background, and here it removes the background in seconds. So I hope you like this video. Share this video to your friends, to your creator friends, and many other peoples. I thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel Carry On Techie if you like this video. And for more content, check out my channel. Thank you.